I'm Lauri Stricker at Evergreen Pilates, and today I'd like to show you two exercises that are commonly confused in reformer class. The first is scooter, and it's a great leg and hip strengthening exercise. And the second is Eve's lunge, which is a great exercise for opening and lengthening. So the first one, scooter. We're going to use two yellow springs. Stand next to your reformer, place your hands on the foot bar, reach your hips back. Place your back foot to the shoulder block. Bend through your foot so the ball of the foot is on the mat, the heel is over the ball of the foot to the block. Then align your knees. So from knee to knee, with the outside leg right next to the wood frame. Square your hips and think about having a broomstick from your sacrum through the back of your head, so nice long spine. Place your hands on the bar right in front of you with your arms straight. Wrap your shoulders down and back. Spin your biceps up, triceps down. We're ready to begin. Inhale, extend out, stamp the wall behind you. Exhale, bend your knee, return. Inhale, press out. Exhale, bend. Only thing that moves is the back leg. Everything else is still. Inhale, press out. Exhale in. Draw your right hip back and your left hip forward. So keeping the hips square. And back in. Now, we're going to do Eve's lunge. So Eve's lunge, generally we go a little bit lighter. We go to one red or one yellow. Eve's lunge, we stand with the right foot all the way forward to the corner of the wood frame. Bend through your back foot, just like scooter, but this time rest your knee down. Square your hips forward, hands on the foot bar. Inhale, press out, stretching both of your legs. Exhale, bend your front knee and return. Spine has a different shape here. It's a little bit more extension. So as you're coming in, lift your heart, wrap your shoulders back. You'll feel a bow-like shape, or you'll have a bow-like shape, and feel more of a stretch across the front of your thigh, hip, and torso. And exhale in. Also, notice that you stand evenly from the inside of one foot to the other, and from the front to the back. Inhale out, and exhale back in. So that's scooter and Eve's lunge. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped, and I look forward to